Hi friends, welcome to the channel Unshackling Sudoku and Puzzles. Myself Ashish, and today I'll be covering a Sudoku variant called Odd Even Count Sudoku. The setter of the Sudoku is Deb Mohanty, and this Sudoku was featured in the Sudoku Mahabharata online contest on LMI Logic Masters India. So I'll add the link in the description for the contest page where Deb has created some excellent puzzles over there, excellent Sudokus, and even the link to the online interface of the Sudoku that we are solving today. To be frank, Deb is one of the excellent authors India has ever produced. Even he is my favorite author, and his Sudokus and puzzles are so good, so visually mesmerizing that you will really like to solve that Sudoku. The solve path, the way the theme has been constructed, it's an excellent constructor, right? And I would really suggest you to check out his contest page, check out the Sudokus that he has constructed for the contest. They are excellent Sudokus, and you would really love to solve all those. And coming on to the Sudoku, according to the rules, we have to fill digits 1 to 9 from in each row, column, and 3 into 3 box without repetition, as usual classic rules. And there are some circles in the grid. As you can see, there are some circles in the grid. So the number on the circle indicates if the number is odd, then it indicates the number of odd numbers surrounding the circle. There are 8 cells surrounding the circle, right? So if the number is odd, then it says that there are how many number of odds that are surrounding the circle. And if the number is even, then it will say the number of even digits that are surrounding the circle, excluding the circle cell. You don't count the circle cell while counting the parity, right? So for example, if you have a 3 here, then these 5 cells will have 3 odd digits, not more, not less. And if you have 4 here, then these 4 digits will have, 5 cells will have 4 even digits, right? So that is all regarding the Sudoku. And if you see the theme, such a great theme. This is 12 circles all diagonally placed, right? Superb. And there is no negative constraint here. So by negative constraint, I mean you might have some cells without circles which has that property that if this is a 6, there are 6 even digits surrounding the cell. So there is no negative constraint. We only have to see the circle cells here, right? And with that, we'll start solving this Sudoku. The first thing I would like to say you regarding this Sudoku is always try to fill digits on the circles which are at the edges, because you cannot have number more than 5 over there, right? So there are only 5 digits that are 5 cells that are surrounding the circle. So you can have only numbers from 1 to 5, and there will be many other possibilities to be eliminated. So you will get the numbers easily when the circle is at the edge. The second thing I would like to say is a 9 will never appear on the circle, right? Because you have exactly 8 surrounding cells. So a 9 can never appear on a circle cell, because you cannot have 9 surrounding odd cells surrounding the circle, right? So these are the two most important things that I wanted to say. With that, we'll start solving this Sudoku. We'll try to solve with the classic way first, right? So let us see if the classic will help us. Sorry. Okay, so the 7 here and the 7 here will give you a 7 here, right? And 1 here will give you a 1 here in these 3 cells. 1 is cancelled out here. 7 will have to be in one of these 2 cells, right? A 4 has to be in one of these 2 cells. A 8 here and 8 here will give you 8 in one of these 2 cells. A 8 cannot come here because you need to have only 1 to 5, right? And let us mark those 1, 4. So it has to be 2, 3 and 5. Superb. So 1, 2, it has to be 3, 4 and 5. This is also 4. So 1, so 2, 3 and 5, right? And 1 and 3, this has to be 2, 4 and 5, right? So that is done. And okay, do we get anything else here? Okay, so let's see what else we get here. Okay, 8 here and 8 here will give you 8 in one of these 2 cells, right? And so you cannot have an 8 here, right? Excellent. You cannot have an 8 here because there are already 2 even numbers surrounding these 8 cells, and you need to have all the 8 even numbers, but you have already one odd number, right? So if you have an 8 here, all the cells here, all the 8 cells need to be even, but you already have one odd digit here, which means 8 cannot be here. 8 cannot be here as well, which means 8 has to be in one of these two cells. That eliminates the 8 from here. You get an 8 here and a 4 here. Excellent. Easy start. And okay, so 8 has to be here in this box. Again 7 here and here will give you a 7 here because of this 7. Okay, that is also done. And 6 here and here will give you one of the 6 in these two cells, 6 in one of these two cells, right? Superb. Okay, now let us try and mark the circle cells. What are the possibilities in each of the circle cells? Because that is the way you have to proceed this kind of sudokus, right? Try to mark the circle cells. You might get something tricky on that part, but let us try to mark the circle cells. You cannot have a 9 here, right? 8, 7, 6 is also not possible. 5, 3, 2. 1 and 4 is not possible. So 2, 3 and 5 are the digits that are possible on this circle cell. See this circle cell, we already have 5 digits here. 8 is also not possible. 9 is also not possible. So the only possibilities are 3 and 5, right? Superb. That was good one. 9 has to be in one of these two cells. Okay, let's see this now. 9 is not possible. 8 is not possible. 7 is also not possible. A great one. A very narrow to see that 7 is not possible. Why is it the case? Because you already have one even digit. So if you have a 7 here, you need to have 7 odd digits. So all these digits will have to be odd then, right? All the surrounding. And if you see the 2 here, 2 has to be in one of these two cells. It cannot be in one of these two cells, which means 2 has to be in one of these 5 cells if a 7 is here. So if a 7 is here, you need to have 2 in one of these 5 cells, which means you have already 2 even digits surrounding these 8 cells, which means a 7 cannot be here. So 9, 8, 7, 6. So 5, 4, 3, 2 is the possibility, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is not possible again. 9 is not possible. 4, 8, 6, 3 is not possible. 1, 2, 5, 7. Right? So 1, 2, 5, 7 are the possibilities. Is 7 possible? All these digits will have to be odd. Is that possible? Yeah, still possible, I would say. Okay. Let's see these two cells. What are the digits here? 9, 8, 7 is not possible. 6 is not possible. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right? 1, 2, 3, 5 are the possibilities, right? Okay. 2 is also not possible, right? Superb. So why is 2 not possible? 3 and 5. If a 2 is here, you already have 2 even digits, so all the other digits will have to be odd, right? So where can a 6 come in this box now? No place for 6, because 6 cannot come here. 6 have to be in one of these 4 cells if a 2 is here. So you'll have 3 even digits already, so 2 is not possible. So there are all odd digits here. Excellent. Let's see this. 9, 8, 7, 6. 6 is possible, yeah. 5, 3 and 1. So 1, 3, 5, 6, right? These are the possibilities. Okay. Yeah, so these are the possibilities. And with that, let us see if we get anything else. With a 4 here, you'll have 2 odd even digits here, 2 even digits here. So 2 and 6, 2 and 4. Okay. So 4 is also not possible here. Very difficult to see that. So what happens if you have a 4 here? You need to have 4 even digits in these 5 cells, right? So which means 2 even digits in these 3 cells. 4 and 8 are there, 2 even digits will be here. And 8 and 6 are there, 2 even digits will be in these 2 cells, right? Which means 2 and 4 here and 2 and 6 here. But if you see, any of the 2's cannot come in on these 2 cells because of the 2 here, which means there has to be 2 2's in these 3 cells, which is not possible. So in other words, if you have a 4 here, you won't be able to place 4 even digits here, because let us see that. So if you have a 4 here, you'll have a 2 here, 1 even digit, and 3 even digits will have to be here, which is not possible, right? So 4 is not possible, 2 and 5 are the possibilities, right? Excellent. Oh, 1 is also not possible here, only 3, 5, 6 will be possibility, because if you have a 1 here, you already have 2 odd digits here. So surrounding the 8 cell, if there is a circle cell, that is still counted as the counted for this circle cell, right? So if you have a 1 here, then you will have 2 odd digits. You already have 2 odd digits here. This is also an odd digit, so 1 is not possible. And is 6 possible? Let us see if 6 is possible. Oh great, 6 is also not possible, guys. Superb. 6 is also not possible. So if you have a 6 here, the moment you have a 6 here, 2 odd digits are already placed. All these 6 cells will have to be even digits, and which is not possible. 4 and 8 are already here, 6 will already be here. You can't have 3 even digits in these 3 cells. Superb. 6 is also not possible. What an excellent break-in of this Sudoku, I would say, because you got a 3-5 pair here. Excellent. What an excellent Sudoku. So many given digits, but still it is very difficult to solve this Sudoku, I would say, right? So many given digits, but still, right, we are just eliminating small candidates. We are eliminating the candidates. We didn't get the digits here. And if you see, we got a 3-5 pair here, which means that the 3 remaining digits are 1, 9 and 6, right? 6 cannot come here, 6 cannot come here. In this column, 6 has to be in this cell itself. And 1 and 9, 1 is already here. You have a 1 here, you can have a 9 here. So which means that the 2 digits here are 3, 5 and 8. Superb. So you got a 1 here. That one gives you a eliminates 1 from this cell, 3 and 5. So the 2 digits are 2 and 9, right? In any order. We are not sure of it right now. Okay. Do we get anything else here? 7, 5, 3. It has to be 9 here. Superb. Excellent. Oh, so 5 cannot come here. The moment you have a 5, all of these digits will have to be odd, right? So in this column, 9th row, I would say 9th row, 7, 5, 7, 1, 5, 3 are already here. This means this has to be odd and it can only be 9, which is not possible. Superb. So which means that, sorry, which means that this has to be 2. Superb. And because of the 2 here, do we get anything else? Both of these can be even. If we have a 3 here, we need to have only 3 odd digits here. You already have 1, 2, 3, which means this has to be even, which is 2. Both of these will have to be even, which is 6 and 4. Okay, 6 and 4 not possible. Excellent. Such a narrow logic, guys, such a narrow logic. We'll have to see each and every cell surrounding that circle cell, right? Superb. So if you have a 3 here, 3 odd digits are already placed here, 1, 7 and one of the 3 and 5. So both of these will have to be even. And if you see 2, 8, 4 and 6, this cannot be even. This has to be odd. So you'll have 4 odd digits here, which means this has to be 5 and this has to be 3, which gives you a 3 here, and 8 and 5 pair logged in this column, which gives you a 2, 9, 1 remaining digits. 1 is already here, which gives 1 here. This has to be 2 and 9 pair logged. And superb, right? This Sudoku is excellent one, I would say. So for the 3 here, you need to have 3 odd digits here, right? 5 is already an odd digit here. One of the 2 and 9 will be an odd digit here. One of the 2 and 9 is odd here. 5 is already odd here. Okay. Not sure yet. This can be any way. Okay, it can be any way yet. We are not sure of it. So let's see some other digit, I would say. Let us see this row now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and 5 are the digits which are remaining here. So 4 cannot come here. 9 and 5 are the remaining here. 9 cannot come here. 4 and 5, and 4, 5 and 9, right? Okay. 1, 9. Okay. Okay, you cannot have a 5 here, right? Superb. So if you have a 5 here, all of these digits will have to be odd, and we already marked that 6 has to be in one of these two cells, which means you cannot have a 5 here, and you cannot have a 4 here as well, because the moment you have a 4 here, you need to have 4 even digits. 1 is already odd, all the digits will have to be even, and you have 8 and 4 here. You cannot have 3 even digits in these 3 cells, which means this has to be 3. Excellent. Simple deduction we have missed, and which means 3 odd digits will have to be here. Nothing much here. 3 has to be in one of these these two cells because of the 3 here, and 6 also will have to be in one of these two cells because of the 6 here, and you don't have a 6 here. Okay, I did some mistake. Okay, yeah, sorry, no, 6 is already here and 6 is here. 6 has to be in one of these two cells, which means you got a 3 6 pair here in this row. So 1 2 9 are the digits remaining, so it has to be 1 2 and 9, 1 2 and 9 in that row. 4 5 9 and 1 4 5 9. 1 is here, so you get a 1 here, and you'll have 4 5 9 here. 4 is already here, so it has to be 5 and 9, right? So 1, you got a 1, so this has to be 2 5 and 7. 1 2 5 7 and 9. Okay, 2 5 and 7 will be the digits here. Okay, do we get anything else here? Okay, so 1 in this box will have to be in this cell, right? Let us mark these two digits here. 9 cannot be. Okay, 9 cannot be here, so 9 has to be in one of these two cells again. Superb. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 are the possibilities here. 4 and 6 are not possible. 3 and 5 will be the possibilities, and 3 4 5 6. 3 is not possible here as well, so 4 5 and 6, right? Do we get anything here now? Superb. So if you see the 2 here, as we know that there has to be 2 even digits here. One of the even digits will be 6 here, the other digits will have to be 4, so that eliminates 4 from here. It has to be 5 and 9, and okay, that is great. 1 2 3, we'll have to have 4 is this. One of the digits will have to be odd, one will have to be even. Nothing much now. So 1 7 5. Okay, 3 and 9 is possible. 2 is not possible. 2 9 9. Okay, you cannot have a 2 here as well, guys. Superb. Very narrow to see. Really difficult one. If you have a 2 here, you'll have a 9 here. You'll have a 2 here, you'll have a 9 here. Both of these digits will have to be 9. If you have a 2 here, then you won't be able to place 2 even digits here, because all the 4 digits would be odd here, which means this cannot be 2. It has to be 3 and 5. And so for the 3 now, superb. So for the 3 now, we have got 1 odd digit, 2 odd digit, and one of these two will be odd, which is 9. So which means this has to be even, which is 2, which gives this as 9, this as 2. Excellent Sudoku, guys. What a logic here. Which means that the 9 in this column would be only this place, because of the 9 being one of these two cells, and this has to be 3 and 5. And because of the 9 here, you eliminate 9 from these two cells, it has to be 1 and 2, and which eliminates 2 from this cell, it has to be 5 and 7. And okay, that's great, right? So the moment you have a 7 here, you'll have to have 1 here, 2, okay, So 5, 7, 9 are the digits here. Okay, we don't get anything here now. So you cannot have a 6 here. So no, sorry, it is still possible. Superb. This Sudoku is really excellent Sudoku, I would say. Very tough one. And 7 has to be in one of these two cells, right? Because 7 here and here will give you 7 in these two cells. Same way, 7 here and here has given you 7 in these two cells, which means this column has 7 only in one place to go. You cannot have in these three cells. You already have a 7 here, which means a 7 has to be here, which gives you a 1 here, a 2 here, a 1 here. Superb. And because of the 2 here, you can directly eliminate that 7 cannot be here, because you need to have 7 odd digits and you already have 6 place for the odd digits, which means this has to be 5, which gives you a 9 here, a 5 here, a 9 here, a 7 here. Superb. Which gives you a 7 here. Now this Sudoku is flowing like anything, right? And okay, and this 5, let us see this 5 now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 odd digits, which means this has to be 1, which will be 6, 3 and 6. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Oh, this has to be 3 and 6. Sorry, 6 and 3. My bad. Sorry. Thank God. So this has to be an odd digit here, even digit here, because you already have 5 odd digits here, and that 6 will give you a, okay, 2 and 5 are already here. It has to be 3, and the 2 digits here are 9 and 4, right? 4 and 9 in any order. We are not sure about it yet. 4 and 9, and 3 is eliminated from here. You will have 2 and 5 here. So what are the digits here? 2, 5, 6 and 9, right? 6 is already here. 6 has to be in one of these two cells again, right? See the 5 here. Let us see the 5. 1, 7, 1, 7. So one of these two digits will have to be odd, right? I'm not sure which one yet. And okay, superb. See the 3 here. 1, 2 and 3. This will be an odd digit. 3 and 5, which means all other will have to be even digits. So this has to be 8. This has to be 5, which gives you an 8 here. And this will have to be an even digit. 2, 6 and 4 is there. You have to have a 2, 6 and 8 is there. You have to have a 4 here. 4 and 3 will give you a 2 and 5 possibility here. 5 is already here. So you get a 5 here, a 2 here. And that 5 gives you a 4 and 9 in one of these two cells. So because of the 4 here, you get a 9 here, a 4 here, a 9 here, right? And 9 here will give you a 9 here, and this will give you a 2 here, and the digits remaining are 6 and 5. You already have a 5 here, so this has to be a 6, this has to be a 5, and because of the 6 you get a 4 here, right? And this digit will have to be 3 and 5 in any order. So this digit will have to be 6, which gives you a 6 here. Superb. And this has to be 2 and 5. You already have a 2 here, which gives you a 5 here, a 2 here, a 3 here. Last, it is flowing like anything, guys. Superb. 1, 2, and it has to be 3 and 4. 4 is already here. You have a 3 and a 4 here. And with that, we have completed this excellent, gorgeous odd even count Sudoku. I would say no better Sudoku for this type. Really an amazing one. So if you see the circle cells, so if you have a 2 here, you'll have 2 even digits here. The 5 has given you a 5 odd digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The 3 has given you a 3 odd digits here, 1, 2 and 3. Excellent, right? So this is the way you have to proceed with the odd even count Sudoku. Just look out for the edges, the circle on the edges. Will give you very less possible. I mean to say that will give you many digits here, because you are already eliminating 6, 7, 8, 9 from that cell. And the second thing is you don't have 9 on the circle cells, and with that we'll have to proceed. You just have to narrow down the number of odd cells and even cells surrounding a circle cell, and see if you can place the number of even digits there or number of odd digits there. and with that you will be able to solve any kind of odd even count Sudoku. So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and comment if you want us to solve any other Sudoku variant or a puzzle genre, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.